let's make an adorable holiday sign. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. Okay, so I printed this on printable vinyl. I designed it in Canva. It says Mom's Best Batch, and it has each one of my children's names on it. Adorable. I have this sign from Dollar General that I peel the paper off on, and I spray it. We're going to set it aside and let it sit. Next, I have these little gingerbread men from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them with some chalk paint. I think Cathedral is the name of the color, and you're going to do both sides of those, and you're going to set them aside. While those dry, this is what you get. When you spray that, you could just scrape off that paper. Awesome. Next, we're going to use some puffy paint. I put mine in a precision tip, which you can get at Michael's, probably get them on Amazon, anywhere. I got my puffy paint, I think, at Walmart, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can get puffy paint from Dollar Tree. All right, so I did 2 little eyes, I did 2 dots, and then I did a smile. I also did little squiggles on the arms and the legs. Listen, I'm going to show you 2 times of me making this, doing the face. And the reason why I'm going to tell you this is, or show you this, is because hesitation is what messes me up every single time. If you mess up, it's okay. A, you can wipe it off and start over. Or B, you can just flip it over, because that's why we did both sides, because I'm always thinking ahead. I also used 3 dots for in red to do the little buttons. Super cute. But you could probably put a little bow tie on if you wanted. Oh, so many different options. But again, see how I didn't hesitate. Many times what I find is if I practice on the parchment paper for just a minute or so, it helps me gain some confidence. Again, also knowing that I have some availability of flipping it over or redoing it if I mess up helps me be more confident. I don't know if that helps you, but look how cute these are. Stop it. Again, I did 1 for each of my children. This would be cute for Grammys, for Mimis, for Gigi's, whatever you call yourself if you're a grandparent. But I'm a mom. I don't have any grandchildren yet, so Mom's Best Batch it is. Make sure your sign is nice and dry, and then we're going to get our vinyl that we printed and cut down, and we're going to put it in the sign. I messed up a little bit. And it's a little bit, my sign is a little bit smaller than the sign that I put in. That I'm putting it in. So I'll show you how I fix that. But before we do that, let's make some little pink hearts. I am so obsessed with these little hearts. They're so easy to make. It's put a little pressure and then pull down. Put a little pressure on your, your squeezy bottle. Squeeze. And then release the squeeze and pull it down. And look at it, it makes a perfect heart. Again, you'll see on my parchment paper, I practice first. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, friends, let it dry. Please just leave it alone and let it dry. This is how I fixed the, you could see the sign underneath. I just took a Sharpie. You could use paint if you wanted, but it worked like a dream. Then I let this dry. It was probably, many hours. Let it dry. Then I'm going to glue all of my little gingerbread men on there. Look at so cute. And then I added a little messy bow. And here's where things got bad. I took a picture just to prove it happened, but then mine wasn't fully dry, and I stuck my finger in it, and then next thing you know, I've got a messed up heart, so I tried to do it again, and it oozed down because I didn't let it dry. So let it dry, okay? Okay. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.